In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the 3D Maps tool to make a flat map and to make a nice data chart for a presentation. This is data that I have from a fictional company showing their sales numbers for different states in the United States. So the first thing we're going to do, go up to the top here inside of your 3D Maps area inside of Excel. You don't know how to get to this, I have another video on that. But you're just going to click Flat Map, right? And then that's going to do exactly that. It's going to flatten your map out, right? And then the next thing we're going to want to do is click on 2D chart, right? It's going to pop open a chart. There we go. We're going to drag this over to the side. Now this is pretty cool because when you look at it, you have this nice visual representation for a sales presentation moving forward where you could snag this data, right, that you have. You can make this bigger too. Alright, so I don't have to, slide it back and forth too much, right? You just show our top performers, right? You can also go in here and just see this right here. You can change how this all looks. So we can get a side flowing chart, whatever, right? I'm going to use this one. Alright, so we can show our top performer. I'm just selling everything in Delaware. Real nice. Okay, cool. Alright, so that is how to make a flat map with a 2D representation of your company's sales inside of Microsoft Excel using the 3D Maps feature. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.